In today's video, we're going to take a look at what we consider to be the top 5 best drones available on the market today. We have made this list based on customer reviews and our own opinion. We looked at the features and quality of each item and selected the best ones. For more information along with updated prices on the products that we've mentioned, click on the links in the description box below. Now, let's get to it. Coming in at number 5 is the Holy Stone Foldable Drone. If you're looking for a drone that can fly high and capture aerial footage, this is the way to go. The foldable drone is equipped with a high-definition 720-pixel camera, which means it can be used to record your flights and make them look more professional. With its foldable design, the drone can be stored easily in a backpack or suitcase when not in use. It also comes with headless mode, low-voltage alarm, and one key return features that ensure safety while flying. This Holy Stone foldable GPS drone is a great drone for those who are looking for something that's easy to fly, but can still be used for professional applications. It has a maximum flight time of about 15 minutes at an average speed of 10 meters per second, and it comes with a 7-inch monitor so you can see exactly what the camera sees. The drone features GPS and altitude hold functions, so you'll never have trouble keeping track of where it is. It has 3 different speed modes: low, medium, and high speed. These modes allow you to fly your drone in different kinds of weather conditions without having to worry about damage from flying outside its normal operating range. The drone also has an emergency stop button, which can be used when something goes wrong while flying or landing. This means that if you're having trouble controlling the aircraft, or if there's some sort of issue with its motors or other parts, then pressing this button will cause them all to stop working immediately, which can help prevent any serious damage being done in case something goes wrong while using this device. It's a great drone for beginners, with auto return and altitude hold functions to help you avoid crashes. The 6-axis gyroscope ensures that it stays stable in the air, so you can focus on learning how to fly and capturing great videos. Another great feature is the low-power alarm that lets you know when your battery is running low so you don't risk losing control over your drone before bringing it back home safely. It is a great choice for anyone who wants a drone that's easy to fly and has all the features you'd want in an entry-level drone. The 4th product on our list is the DJI Mini SE. The DJI Mini SE is a camera drone with a 3-axis gimbal and is a great drone for people who want to learn how to fly a drone, and also great for those who want to take pictures and videos from the air. It's small enough that you can fit it in your bag or backpack, so you can bring it with you anywhere. It has all the features of a professional drone like automatic takeoff and landing, and this drone is light enough that it won't cause too much damage if it hits walls or furniture while flying around a house. It's very stable in the air, so you don't have to worry about crashing into things when you're learning how to fly it around your house or yard. The camera on this drone is really impressive as it takes high-definition photos and videos, and can record video footage in 1080 pixels at 60 frames per second. That high frame rate means that your videos will be smooth and clear even when they're played back at 30 frames per second. You'll also get 30 minutes of flying time off one battery charge, which means that you can get plenty of video footage shot before having to recharge. It can take off, land, and hover in place automatically, and has GPS and GLONASS positioning. It has an altitude hold function, so you can focus on taking photos while your drone holds its position. The drone comes with a remote controller, propellers, battery, micro SD card and reader, USB cable, and power cable. The DJI Go app allows you to see what your camera sees in real time on your mobile device screen as you fly the drone. You can capture photos or videos and save them to your phone for later editing or sharing. You can even use your phone's microphone to record audio from the air. The drone has a flight time of about 18 minutes and is great for people who want to get awesome shots of themselves or their friends while they're flying the drone. Still haven't seen a drone that you're interested in? That's okay, keep watching because we have more coming up. Also, we have an additional list of 10 drones in the description box below that you may want to check out as well. If this is the first time you're visiting our channel, please be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell icon so that you'll know when we release our next video. Now, let's continue. Up next in 3rd position is the DJI Mavic Air. The DJI Mavic Air 2 drone quadcopter is one of the newest drones in the Mavic series, and it's a truly stunning piece of machinery. The first thing you'll notice about this drone is its size. It's small and light enough to fit in your hands, yet it still has all of the features that make DJI drones so popular. The This drone has a camera that can take photos with a 48 megapixels resolution. The drone also has a 3-axis gimbal to keep the image steady and stable. With it, you'll get clearer images and videos, even when shooting moving objects. The Mavic Air can fly up to 4 miles away from you, which is great for distance shots without losing contact with the drone. It can fly for up to 30 minutes at a time before needing to recharge its batteries. It's so easy to use and has all of the features that any photographer or videographer would want in their drone. Features include a high-resolution camera and video recording abilities, 360-degree rotation capabilities, a GPS tracking system, and much more. This drone has a powerful camera that allows for clear aerial shots, and you can also fly it indoors without worrying about damage or crashing because of its advanced sensors and obstacle avoidance system. If you're looking for something even more advanced, then look no further than the Mavic, as it comes equipped with 2 cameras, one facing forward and one downward facing. Its incredible portability and its ability to shoot 4K video makes it perfect for those who want to capture their adventures in high definition. If you're looking for something that's compact and versatile, then the Mavic Air 2 is a drone that you may want to consider. The second product on our list is the Holy Stone brushless drone. The Holy Stone HS720G is one of my top picks for best drones, with its high-quality camera, which shoots in 4K and slows down your footage to create a cinematic effect. The drone is also easy to control and comes with a built-in GPS system that makes it simple to fly. It has an impressive flight range of 1,200 meters and can stay in the air for up to 25 minutes at a time or 50 minutes if you're using the optional battery. You can use your smartphone to control the drone's movement if you prefer not to use the included remote controller. The drone comes equipped with a 720-pixel HD video camera that shoots video at 60 frames per second, so you'll be able to capture smooth, clear images of whatever you're filming. It also features 2 GB of internal storage space, so you can store photos or videos taken on your trip without having to rely on an external memory card. It's a great drone for people who want to get started with a camera drone, but don't want to spend too much money. It's got all the features of a more expensive drone, but at a fraction of the cost. It has an HD live view and can be controlled by your phone, which allows you to capture high-quality pictures and videos. If you're looking for a camera drone that won't break the bank, this is definitely one that we recommend checking out. This drone is a must-have. Before we reveal the number 1 best drone on our list, be sure to check out the description box below for more information on each of these items. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to stay up to date for when we release our review on some of the best products available on the market today. The number 1 product on our list is the DJI Air quadcopter. The DJI Air 2 is a small and compact drone that is designed for easy flying. It has a retractable landing gear, which means you can fold up the landing gear when the drone is not in use, so it does not get damaged or caught on anything during storage. The drone comes with an advanced remote controller that has a built-in display screen, which allows you to see what your drone sees while flying. This drone has some advanced features, such as obstacle avoidance sensors and GPS navigation that help it fly safely without crashing into walls or other objects in its path. The DJI Air 2 is an incredibly versatile drone and will be a great addition to your flying toolkit. This quadcopter UAV comes with a 3-axis gimbal camera that can be used to capture high-quality videos and photos. The camera has a 1/2.3-inch CMOS sensor and can record 4K video at 30 fps or 1080p video at 60 fps, as well as take 12-megapixel JPEG photos. The drone itself has a max flight time of 31 minutes, which is pretty typical for drones of this size and range. It also has a max speed of 32 miles per hour and can fly up to 3 miles away from its controller. There are many different modes you can use with the 3D flips and rolls mode, including barrel roll, flip in any direction, and flip vertically up or down. You'll also be able to do 360-degree flips by pressing one button. If you're looking for the best drone, look no further than the DJI Air 2. This drone is a quadcopter with a 3-axis gimbal camera. It comes with everything you need to get started, including batteries and a remote control. You can fly this drone up to 10 minutes at a time on a single battery charge, which is pretty impressive. Well, there you have it. If our review has helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. Don't forget to click the notification bell icon to get an alert for when our next video drops. Stay tuned for our next video, and thank you for watching.